The good news, the snow you see here, far from home. For once, we're not talking about our streets. No, it's Washington, D.C. That's in the thick of it tonight. A major problem at the airport, a domino effect basically happening for the rest of us. I was just checking online a moment ago. We are seeing delays in our area. That's because people are bouncing around trying to get to their final destination. Tonight, WOWT 6 News' Chase Moffitt was talking to people at the airport, many saying it was a miracle to get home tonight.
I was supposed to meet my family, and people are going to be very upset out there.
A quick survey overlooking Omaha's Eppley airfield, and it appears business as usual. Planes on the taxiway set to take to the skies.
My flight got cancelled today. I was supposed to travel today, but due to bad weather conditions, the entire itinerary got cancelled.
But take another look at the American Airlines ticket counter on the inside. These passengers supposed to be on a flight to Chicago. That flight canceled. Left behind in the booking mess, Indy Chatterjee on his way home to India.
It's very disappointing. I was supposed to be in India on Sunday. I had to attend a marriage party, but I cannot make it, so it's a shame.
Chatterjee will spend another night in Omaha before hopefully tomorrow heading to Chicago and then home to India.
The winter storm moving up the East Coast has had an impact on air travel. Locally, 5 departures out of Eppley Airfield have been canceled between today and tomorrow.
The Omaha Airport Authority explains that nonstop flights to Charlotte, North Carolina, Newark, New Jersey, New York City, and Washington, D.C. have all been impacted by the massive snowstorm, now expected to affect a large part of the eastern half of the United States. And the ripple effect could filter down to regional hubs as well.
As soon as they got done de-icing us, we went off the runway a little bit, so they had to come and pull us out and pull us back to the gate.
Deb Calhoun set to leave Nashville earlier this morning, not before her plane skidded off the runway, she said. After several hours delay, she made it to Minneapolis and Omaha, faring better than some of her coworkers who chanced it in a rental car.
2 of us waited it out, the rest of them rented a car and drove through the rest of the storm, and we're home and they're not.
Yeah, thankful to be home tonight, that's for sure. So what's the best advice for air travelers? Well, it's recommended that you call ahead and make sure you have a good idea of the status of your flight, determine if in fact it's canceled or delayed. And in fact, if you do enough research ahead of time, we're told that you can work with the individual airlines. You may also be able to book something better. Might be a roundabout way, but a better chance for you to get home, man. I'll tell you tonight though, last check, like we talked about, some of those delays, you might just want to pack some extra patience getting home if you want to even get to the east side of the United States tonight and tomorrow.
Hopefully people do have a bit of patience. Thanks so much for that live report, Chase.